Ever wondered why your once thriving garden is suddenly looking a little worse for wear? Could it be the work of pesky insects or the onset of a plant disease? Today, we're taking a deep dive into how to use organic methods to keep your garden healthy and vibrant. Step 1. Know your enemy. It's important to identify the specific pests or diseases that are causing damage to your garden. Each pest or disease presents unique challenges, and knowing exactly what you're dealing with will help you choose the most effective organic solution. Step 2. Introduce beneficial insects. Yes, not all insects are harmful to your garden. In fact, some can be your best allies in the fight against pests. Ladybugs, for instance, feast on aphids, while predatory mites control spider mite populations. So don't be quick to wage war on every bug you see. Instead, encourage the beneficial ones to take up residence in your garden. Step 3. Use organic pesticides. If the pest problem persists, consider using organic pesticides. These are derived from natural sources and are less harmful to the environment compared to their synthetic counterparts. Neem oil, for example, is a popular organic pesticide that's effective against a wide range of pests. Step 4. Practice crop rotation. This age-old farming practice isn't just for large-scale farmers. Even in your small backyard garden, alternating the types of plants you grow in each plot can help break the life cycle of pests and diseases, keeping them at bay. Step 5. Maintain good garden hygiene. Remove and dispose of any diseased plants promptly to prevent the spread of diseases. Also, keep the garden free from fallen fruits and dead leaves, as these can harbor pests and diseases. Step 6. Boost your plant's natural defenses. Healthy plants are less susceptible to pests and diseases, so feed your plants with nutrient-rich organic compost and ensure they get adequate water and sunlight. In conclusion, organic methods for pest and disease control involve knowing your pests, encouraging beneficial insects, using organic pesticides, practicing crop rotation, maintaining good garden hygiene, and boosting your plant's natural defenses. Remember, these methods are not only effective but also kinder to our planet. They help maintain the delicate balance of our ecosystem, ensuring that the Earth remains a healthy and hospitable home for us, and for future generations. So next time you spot a bug in your garden, or see a plant looking a little sickly, don't panic. Instead, reach for the organic solution. Your garden and the planet will thank you.